Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com, Indoor Entertainment Center opens in Mall in Texas, US. It opened its doors on September 27, serving F&B alongside 86 arcade games, rock climbing, soft play obstacle courses, laser tag, go-karts, 20 bowling lanes and a sports court. The 70,000 square feet venue is located in the building of a former Sears store, and it is the newest location from the Arizona-based indoor family fun chain Rush Fun Park, which already has 2 indoor climbing parks in San Antonio. Guests can load up cards with funds and use that to pay for the attractions, food and drinks. Rush Max also offers memberships for $25 per child and $15 for each additional child.